teacher Catalina, and I am so happy you found me. Together, we are going to learn Spanish, and today, we're learning the sounds of the vowels in Spanish. I know you're going to do fantastic, and by the end of this video, you will be able to pronounce most words in Spanish with ease. The good news, in Spanish, the vowels always make the same exact sound. That doesn't happen in other languages, which makes it a little bit more difficult. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. That way you will make sure you don't miss any really good content and new lessons. Let's start with the letter A. The letter A in Spanish is ah. Like when you go to the dentist and they say, open your mouth and say ah. Ah, like the ah in apple. Let's look at some words in Spanish. Blanca, blanca, blanca. Casa, casa, casa. Sala, sala. Ana, Ana. Now, let's take a look at the letter E. In English, I want you to think of the sound the letter E makes on the word met. Met. Imagine you're talking to your grandfather and he can't hear you. He would say, eh? Eh? That is the sound that the letter E makes in Spanish. Eh? For example, elefante, elefante. Notice how all of the E's in elefante make the sound E. E. Leche, leche. Leche. La leche es deliciosa. Elisa. 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 Let's talk about the letter I. Think if it's really cold and you are freezing, you would say, ee, it's cold, ee. That's the sound of the letter I in Spanish. Ee. Let's look at some words in Spanish. Iris, iris. Iris. Both I's make the same exact sound. Isabel. Isabel. Notice E, sa, bel. Good job. Bicicleta. 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 The letter O in Spanish is like the O in obey. Think of it this way. Oh! Oh! It's like the O in obey. Pronto. 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 Loco. 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 Poco. Good job. Poco. 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 Very good. O in Spanish, like the sound you make when you're surprised. Oh! The letter U in Spanish makes the sound that the double O makes in the word boot. Ooh, boot. Think of it as the sound you would make if you saw people all in love. You would say, ooh. That's the sound the letter U makes. Muchacha. 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 Good job. Unicornio. Unicornio. Soy un unicornio. Luna. 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 Remember, the U makes the sound of the double O in boot. Ooh. Kids in Spanish-speaking countries would say A, E, I, O, U. El burro sabe más que tú. A, E, I, O, U. El burro sabe más que tú. So remember, in Spanish, A, like you go to the dentist. E, like you're talking to Grandpa. I, like you're freezing. E, O, like you're surprised. Oh! And ooh, like you just saw somebody in love. Ooh! So now that you're an expert at the sounds of the vowels, you should be able to read the sentence on your own. Give it a try. La casa es blanca. La casa es blanca. Yay! You did fantastic! Fantastico! If you think I did fantastic too, click that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had fun. I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Teacher Catalina. I hope to see you soon. Bye!